Problem 2. Comparing quadratic models. Physics. Campers in an aerospace camp launch rockets on the last day of camp. The path of rocket 1 is modeled by the equation h equals negative 16t squared plus 150t plus 1, where t is time in seconds and h is the distance from the ground. The path of rocket 2 is modeled by the graph below. Which rocket flew higher? So bear in mind, what we have here are models of the paths of two different rockets given in two different forms. For rocket 1, we have an equation. For rocket 2, we have a graph. In order to determine which rocket flew higher, we need to find the maximum height of each rocket using the models of their paths. Rocket 1. The maximum height of rocket 1 is the vertex of the parabola. Recall the Vertex Formula says the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b over 2a, and the y-coordinate of the vertex is the output of the function evaluated for the input x, negative b over 2a. Using a equals negative 16 and b equals 150 from our original equation, we substitute and simplify and find 4.7, 352.6 to be our vertex. This indicates a height, or a maximum height, of 352.6 feet for rocket 1. Rocket 2. The maximum height of rocket 2 is at the vertex of the parabola as well. Here we can see it graphically. You can use the graph to find the approximate maximum height of the rocket. The vertex looks to be at the point 6 and approximately 580. That would indicate the maximum height of rocket 2 is at about 580 feet. So rocket 2 flew higher than rocket 1. Your turn. Refer to problem 2. Part A. Which rocket stayed in the air longer? And part B. What is the reasonable domain and range for each quadratic model? Part C. A reasoning item. Describe what the domains tell you about each of the models and why the domains for the models are different.